good day. This is our performance task in science and it's all about optical instruments. What is optical instruments? Optical instruments is a device that processes the light waves, either to enhance an image for viewing to analyze and determine their characteristic properties. Common examples include periscope, microscope, telescope, and cameras. Optical are the devices that processes light waves to enhance an image for a more clear view. The use of optical instruments such as magnifying lens or any complicated device that like a microscope or telescope usually makes things bigger and help us see a more detailed manner. Optical instruments have an example: eyes, lenses, magnifying glass, telescope, and microscope. And they are 6 optical instruments. First is a driving mirror, and second, the magnifying glass. Third, spectacle lenses. Fourth, the camera. And fifth, the telescope, and the last is microscope. The first optical instrument were telescope, were used for magnification or distant image, and microscope used for magnifying very tiny images. Since the days of Galilei and van Leeuwenhoek, these instruments have been greatly improved and extended into other portions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Second is microscope, and is an instrument that can be used to observe small objects, even cells. The image of an object is magnified through the least one lens in the microscope. This lens bends light towards the eye and an object appears larger than it actually is. The third is camera. Are optical devices used for recording images either as individual still photographs or as part of a series of images such in a video. Fourth is spectacle lenses. Are lenses mounted on spectacle frames and worn some millimeters in front of the eyes. They are made from different lens materials and come in various designs depending on the errors they are designed to correct. Fifth is magnifying glass. It's usually a convex lens, a lens that bulges outwards, made of either glass or plastic. Light hits the glass at an angle, and it gets reflected towards the center of the lens, leaving the glass make it refract even further, meaning at some point these rays of light converge together. And lastly is the mirror. Is typically made of a glass with a shiny metal that reflects all the light that strikes it. When a mirror reflects light, it forms an image. An image is a copy of an object that is formed by reflection or refraction. A real image forms in front of a mirror where reflected light rays actually meet. optical instrument is invented by Charles Cohen-Cow, is known as the father of optic communication for his discovery in the 1960s of certain physical properties of glass which lead to the groundwork for high-speed data communication in the information age. And that's all. Thank you.